Well, hello. Here at Mindera we act like humans, because in fact, we are humans. Don't let those AIs fool you. So show your quirks, fail spectacularly, sing out loud, let your freak flag fly. Please, let's save the robot jargon for robot. Humans are not resources. Leverage is a fancy word for use, and if empowering your users even crosses your mind, just go home and try again in the morning. We are not too fond of hierarchy. If you come to climb the ladder, you are in the wrong place. We all make things happen here, so ask for advice, make decisions. Sure, with freedom comes a truckload of ownership and responsibility, but you are at the wheel, and that's where the fun is. Now, it's unhealthy to stay seated for long periods, literally and metaphorically too. Get out of your seat. You are not chained to your desk. Move around, do the hula hoop, grab some coffee, play the drums or guitar or the flute or even meditate. Call your parents, play foosball. Well, maybe not all at the same time. Draw on the walls. If you feel like it, just tear down the walls. Remember, we change, learn and transform things. This is an ongoing experiment. Whatever you do, just take care of yourself and your crew. Please remember to add chocolate and love to your list for today. Is this real life or is this just fantasy? How do I switch off the lights? Ask in Slack, someone will answer.